Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a concise audio clip. Pick a quiet spot and enable microphone permissions. Once done, open WhatsApp and go to Status, or use your phone's voice recorder for precision. Make sure the clip is 30-60 seconds to hold attention and save as MP3/M4A if using external apps. Record clearly, keep energy consistent, and speak toward the mic. When satisfied, save the file and return to WhatsApp, ready to attach the audio to a new status update. You now attach the audio, tap My Status, then the attach icon and choose Audio or Document to upload your saved clip. Once added, use WhatsApp's trim controls if needed and add a short caption explaining the clip's purpose. Make sure to set Status Privacy, Everyone, My Contacts, or Custom so the right people hear it. After confirming volume and preview, press Send. This posts the audio as a status with your caption and chosen visibility, so your contacts can tap to play. You finish by verifying the status plays correctly, preview it yourself, then ask a friend or use a second device to confirm playback. If it fails, make sure file format is supported, MP3/M4A, size is under limitations, and WhatsApp has microphone and storage permissions. Once fixed, reupload and repost and double-check status privacy. If people report low volume, re-record closer to the mic or normalize audio in an editor before up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.